We stayed in Lake City last night, and this is our view. We are about to leave. There's Lindsay. We had a suite, so this is one room and the other room is over there. It was a pretty nice room. It's a Holiday Inn Express, or Holiday Inn, or I don't know, something.
Stayed at a Holiday Inn Express last night.
But we are about to leave as soon as Stephanie gets ready, so hopefully it won't be too long.
At least he tried. Yay! Woohoo! The driver.
I'm so excited.
She's a little bit excited.
Welcome to Walt Disney World.
Oh, wait a minute. We can probably get the...
Yeah, you can get them now.
Well,
when we get through turning. Probably.
there they are. Oh, here you go. See that white car?
That's their van.
That is them. Doesn't look white with these sunglasses on. Here I am, people. There's Stephanie.
Gotta get Stephanie.
Hello, darling. So, Cat Stacy. Oh, I know who it was. Tiffany Kirkpatrick.
She walks past.
Yep. Yes. And she gets mad. People she'll get mad. She's like, everybody said. She's like, I have shorter legs than you. You should be walking as fast as me, or something like that. I sat face. I said, tell Lindsay. Getting you ready for tomorrow.
Stephanie with her love, Belle. She's so excited.
I'm so excited.
Stephanie.
Way too excited.
Stephanie and Lindsay.
I guess I can do my makeup.
You just have to sign it.
I can wait while you guys do it.
All you gotta do is sign it.
Oh, both of them?
Yep. Let's see, half marathon. I don't remember my bib number though.
Oh my gosh. Let me go hit this. I'm not a morning person, only when we go to Disney. That's for Stacy's t-shirt.
Yes. You have to go to your bib number. I don't remember what my bib number is. There's Stephanie down there signing her waiver. So here is where we came to get our volunteer stuff for tomorrow. After walking around for 10 minutes trying to figure out where we were going. It is the big white tent way down in the middle of nowhere. It says...
We saw a Brave.
Yeah, we did.
We don't know who he was, but we saw it.
When?
He walked out right in front of us.
Oh, snap.
Oh, look at the ears.
I know, that's awesome. There are Mickey ears.
Oh, that is too cute.
Let's see. Good stuff.
That's right. It has Belle yellow the road.
Aww. And there is the Expo. Craziness that is the Expo. I really do kind of like that hoodie. How much is that one, Stephanie? 50. How much? 50.
That one over there is 90. The one that says live like a
I would go to take a line around from that
Go ahead. Stephanie is mesmerized by the
stupid lawnmower. Come on.
is everybody's food. I got the flat iron steak and mashed potatoes and fries. Stacy, rasta pasta. Stephanie got some kind of chicken salad. They're sharing rasta pasta. Huh? What? Oh. I think my dad got a sampler. I don't know what Mama got, but
Mama got a rascal.
so that's all our food.